Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to make your photos look 10 times better with 2 simple steps in Adobe Lightroom Mobile. So, without wasting more time, let's jump into the video. Step 1. Adjusting light and shadows. Select this light icon to adjust lighting. Now you can adjust exposure, shadows, highlights separately from here. Step 2. Adjusting color and saturation. Select this color icon to adjust color and saturation. Now, select this mix icon. From here, you can select a single color and adjust each color's saturation and hue separately. After editing, you can tap and hold the image to compare it with the original. So, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. See you in the next video.